What's up guys, Zed here back again with another video, and this time around we'll be doing a AMD Fury X gaming build. Now this video will be different in two ways. For starters, my microphone is having a bit of an issue, so I have to use my laptop mic, and that new microphone that is having issues will be fixed in maybe a video or two. And I'm also looking to buy a brand new microphone. I'm just waiting for the proper sale and deal to pick that one up. Anyways, aside from that, this video will be also different in the way that the video will be constructed. Instead of me talking for about 8 minutes about each individual part inside the computer build, I'll just be talking for a brief 1 minute about the computer itself, and then I'll go ahead and just have some music in the background and just have like listed specifications on the display. So with that said, let's just jump right into it. So the Fury X computer build here is going to house the VisionTek Radeon R9 Fury X, a 4 gig card. It's going to come with a Samsung 850 EVO 500 GB solid state drive with 1 TB Western Digital Black Series drive, a Sabertooth 990FX motherboard, an AMD FX 9590 CPU with an aftermarket cooler, and a Corsair RM 850 watt 80 plus gold certified fully modular ATX power supply, and 16 gigs of G.Skill Ripjaw Z series DDR3 RAM clocked in 1866 MHz. The total build cost comes at $1,900 with Windows 8 8.1 OEM 64-bit. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, be sure to smash that like button and tell me in the description down below if you guys like these type of computer builds in comparison to what I used to do. So with that said guys, enjoy the video. See you guys later.